Hello friends, this is Rohit. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to execute C++ program on Android phone. Friends, if you are visiting this channel first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting latest updates of my videos. Okay, so let's start. So in order to execute C++ program on your Android phone, first of all you need to install one application from Google Play Store. The application name is Cxxdroid. Okay, if you search on Google Play, you will get this application. Install this application and then you will be able to execute C++ program on your Android phone. Friends, I have already installed this application in my mobile phone. So I will simply start this application and I will try to explore the interface of this application. So we will try to understand various features and then we will try to see how to execute C++ program on your Android phone. Okay, so I will tap on this icon. So this interface of application will get open in front of you. So here this default file will get open in front of you. So you can start directly editing this file or you can create new file. Okay, so before understanding how to run your C++ code, we will try to get familiar to the interface of this application. Okay, so on left side top corner you can see this hamburger menu. So these three lines shows this hamburger menu. So if you tap on this menu, this left side panel will get open in front of you. Okay, so you can observe various options available within this menu. Okay, so first option is get premium. Okay, so if you tap on get premium, this window will come in front of you. So if you want to purchase this full version, premium version, then you can buy it. So the price and other details are specified here. So right now we are using the free version, that's why the basic code editor and basic libraries will be available, but the premium libraries, project support, code prediction, code analysis and without add, these features will be available within the free version. Okay, so as per your comfort you can go for premium or you can go with free version as well for executing basic C++ programs. Okay, then next feature we have interpreter. Okay, if you tap on this black screen will come in front of you. Okay, so this interpreter basically allow us to type C++ code and execute it directly. Okay, so you can type here any C++ statements and that statements you can execute directly. Okay, with the help of interpreter. Okay, then terminal. Okay, so this terminal is basically Android terminal emulator which help us to emulate the Linux operating system on your Android phone. Means you will be able to use various Linux commands. Okay, so every Android phone consists this Linux terminal, so you can use it for executing Linux commands directly within your Android phone. So for executing Linux command, you must be familiar with the shell scripting, Linux commands and Linux operating system. Then and then only you will be able to execute Linux command. Okay, so what is exactly this terminal emulator and what is its use exactly? So this terminal emulator is a program that makes your Android phone act like an old-fashioned computer terminal, and it is used for accessing the Linux commands line shell. Okay, so that is built in every Android phone. Okay, so this lets you to run various Linux command line utilities within your Android phone. Okay, so if you don't know anything regarding Linux, you can go and you can Google regarding Android, then Linux and Linux command and shell scripting. Okay, so this terminal emulator for Android lets you to use your Android phone device built-in command line shell. Okay, you can type various Linux commands and you can see the result. So for example, echo command is there. I will show you one example. Like if I type echo and hello, and if I hit this enter, so you can see the output hello. So likewise you have various Linux commands. If you want to see which various Linux commands you have, you can simply type help and hit enter. So list of Linux commands will be available in front of you. You can go through them, you can use them if you want, and you can directly execute them within your Android phone with help of this a terminal, okay, which is also called as Android terminal emulator. Okay, and basically if you execute your C++ program, your output will be redirected or your output will be shown within this terminal. Okay, so if you don't want to go in detail, this terminal is basically used for getting our programs output. Okay, so I will show you shortly. Then next option you have install libraries. Okay, so if you hit this install libraries option, this package manager window will come in front of you. So here you can observe list of packages they have given that will be supported by this application. Okay, so whatever application you want, you have to simply click on this install. It will get installed with your application, and you can use then the various libraries that are available within the package for writing your program. Okay, so this SFML and Allegro, these two libraries are only available for premium member. Okay, so if you buy this application, as I told you previously, so if you buy this application, then and then only you will be able to use this SFML and Allegro libraries. Okay, so these are modern multimedia libraries that are offering wide range of subsystems to ease development of games and multimedia applications. But if you are having aim to run only basic C++ program, then you do not need any of these libraries. Okay, simply you can start typing your program and you will be able to execute your program without any problem. But if you want to go in detail and want to develop some advanced application or programs, then definitely you need to install these libraries. Then and then only you will be able to run your programs. Okay, then next option you have share option. So if you want to share this application on social media platforms, then you can use this share option. Okay, then you have paste bin. Now what is this paste bin? So this paste bin is a web application that allow users to upload and share the text online. Okay, so the most common use is to share source code and configuration information with various users. So you can directly upload your source code to pastebin by using this option. Okay, so pastebin website is used for storing text online for certain period of time. Okay, so directly your source code you can put on the pastebin website and you can share through the link with your friends and colleagues with help of this pastebin option. Okay, so if you want to do, you can go with this pastebin, which will put your source code online and it will be available for other people for accessing. Okay, then next option you have samples. So this is the most important option. So if you are beginner in C++ programming, then this sample option will be very helpful for you to learn basic programs of C and C++. So if you tap on this sample, you can see list of categories of programs will be appear in front of you. Suppose if I choose the C basics, then again I will have various program list in front of me. So if I hit this hello world, so it will show me two options, extract and open. So if I choose extract, so this hello world file will be extracted and it will be saved within particular location wherever I will choose. And if I choose open, it will be directly open within my IDE for execution. So right now I will hit this open option. So you can see that hello world.c file is available within my IDE right now, and I can directly execute this file, or I can edit the code if I want. Okay, so this is what the sample. So you can go through various sample programs that they have given. So you can find out sample programs for C, C++, boot, GMP, MPFR, MPC, SQL. Okay, you can see list they have given. Okay, at last you can find SFML and Allegro. So these two categories are available only for premium members. Okay, so already we have discussed that. So next option you have get more IDs. Okay, so if you want to get more such kind of IDs, then you can use this link. Then last section of menu you have regarding settings. So the settings of this ID can be controlled and can be changed through this settings option. So if you tab on this settings, you will find settings of editor, appearance and system. Okay, in editor you will find various basic settings regarding editor. So right now the default settings I have kept. If you want, you can modify this setting as per your requirement. Okay, so in appearance you can control the font size and themes as well. So in themes you can observe various themes they have given. As per your convenient you can choose and use particular theme. Okay, in system setting they have given the uh, settings that are used for compiler, linker. Okay, so right now if you observe here, they are using the standard C99 for executing C programs and C++14 for executing C++ programs. Okay, if you want you can change them. So last, this GUI setting is for only graphics and game development programs. Okay, so here all these three buttons are enabled, means your back button will be used for exit from a program. So if you disable, your back button will not allow you to exit from your program. Okay, so these are certain system settings. So if you are a basic user, then you don't have to go into so much details. Whatever default setting we have, you can continue with the same one. Okay, and you will be able to execute basic programs. Okay, then you have this folder like icon, okay, in the top right corner. So if you tap on this, this menu will get pop up in front of you. This is similar to the file menu that you find in other editors like Notepad, your Sublime Text. Okay, so basic options you can observe: new, open, save as, close, recent files. Okay, so new option will help us to create new file. Okay, new file with the default setting. So whatever default template you have set, so new file will get created with that one. Okay, and then you can manipulate this template as per your requirement. So it will help us to save our time while creating programs. Open will help you to open the save files. If you have already saved certain files, then you can reopen them and you can start working with that files use with help of this open option. Save, new file can be saved with the save option. So you need to select the folder, okay, where you want to save file, and file will get saved. Suppose I will go to internal storage and I will create new folder, and I will rename this folder to the demo, for example demo1, and it will get created. Now I will select this folder and I will specify the file name. Suppose I want to create demo1.cpp file, demo1.cpp file. So I have specified this name and I will click on save. So here you can see my file is saved with name demo1.cpp. so like this you can save this file, so later on it will be available for opening again and working with them. Okay, save as. Okay, if you want to save the current file with new name or new extension, then you can use this save as option. Then next you have close. So if you want to close this file, so you can use this close option. Recent files will show you the list of recently open file. Okay, so quick access to recently open file will be available here. Suppose I will try to open demo1 again. So I will just tap on this demo1.cpp. The file is getting available. Okay, so last option is for support for project. Okay, this is available only for premium members. Okay, then the next option is format code. Okay, so if you are typing your code without any maintaining any spaces and all that thing, then you can make your code to look more beautiful with help of this format code option. Okay, so I will show you this the use of this format code shortly while typing and executing program. Okay, then in this three dots you will find menu, undo, redo, search, go to line. So these are basic operations that will be helpful while working with a large file. Okay, so now I will come to file creation and execution. Okay, now you have quite idea about the interface of this application. Now let's try to execute this program. Suppose I have typed this program already, basic C program, and I want to execute this program. Okay, so in this program we have included header file, standard input output.h, then integer main. So main function is returning integer value, that's why we have written 0, and I am printing one message, hello world, using printf function. Okay, very simple program. Now to execute this program, a very straightforward way is available. Just click on this circle and play button. Okay, there is no complex command, just click on this circle and play button. Now you can see in the terminal I can see my program output, hello world, and at last I have a message, program finish. Okay, so this is how you can simply run your C program. Okay, in the same way you can execute your C++ program. So instead of typing program, I will go to samples and I will open one basic program of C++. Okay, hello world, and I will try to execute this program. Okay, in this C++ program we have a header file iostream, then using namespace standard, and within main function we are printing one hello world message. Okay, so I will simply click on this button, I can see message hello world. Okay, so this is how I can execute my C++ program. Okay, so the important thing I want to tell you here, that this compiler works offline. Okay, we do not need internet, okay, while executing our C++ programs. Okay, so this works totally offline and it will be helpful for executing basic programs within your Android phone itself. Okay, so if you try to edit particular program, then you can observe the keyboard. Okay, so the keyboard is basically consisting at top all basic symbols that regularly we need to use while writing our program. Okay, so this handy keyboard is really useful for fast typing within our mobile phone. Otherwise every time we need to go to special symbols and we need to find out curly brackets or round brackets or semicolon or double quotes, whatever special symbols. Okay, so at top these all special symbols basically help us to fast type our program and execute them in more faster way. Okay, so this particularly full featured terminal emulator consisting keyboard with all the symbols you need to use or you need while writing or developing program, as well as this supports syntax highlighting, okay, themes, okay, tabs. You can see I am working with 3 files right now. Okay, so tab support is also there within this application. Okay, and real-time code prediction, auto indentation, then code analysis. Okay, all these features you will get within this application. And the important thing I told you, extended keyboard bar is available, so where you will find all special symbols that you need while writing your program. Okay, so this is how this application is available, which allow us to execute C++ programs on your Android phone. Okay, one more thing I will try to show you how to format code. Okay, so if I type my code like this, for example, if I have typed my code like this, okay, now if you look at this code, so it is not that much of readable. Okay, so to look it more beautiful, I will go to this option and I will select on this format code. Okay, so if I hit this format code, you can see now. Okay, now it is much better than previous one. Okay, and the readable code is good. Okay, so to track error or to change your code more easily. Okay, so that option will be useful if you just type your code without following any formatting, and later on you want to make it in proper way, then you can use this format code option. Okay, so this is how this C++ Droid application will be useful for executing your C++ program on an Android phone. Okay, so friends, I hope this will be helpful for all of you. So if you find this video useful, please like and share and subscribe this channel. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.